Ano na to? Sour tidla. Okay. Okay, so kanebe. Sour head. Salamat po sa sour head.
Okay. You're welcome.
Dami sour head. Ay.
You're welcome, guys.
Aslo man dyan mo, pero ara mang lamig. Ay.
Dong.
I'm not talking to you, Ate Mian.
Ay, you're not okay to me, guys.
Nga pa ba, guys? Okay. Another, the most sourest food in the world is makaon here.
Pero nga, ganag duwa kasi.
Data lang bitaw ko. It was so good. I can control my sour head. I mean, sourness. Nga pa, bibili na na.
Muha. Dahil, muha.
Okay. Okay.
Ni palag.
So,
Mo, ka doon.
bro, if you want to try,
Ikaw, magiging paduwa pa.
so, diba, I'm making a video, man. So, if you want the most sourest, the most sourest candy in the world, try this.
The name is Sour Head.
Yes, the most sourest even. You can't even beat my score.
Unja magkasakit ang dila na.
It's true, guys. Don't eat too much sour head because it will, your dila will be damaged. Okay, so ano sa taas? Bro, look at this. Is a view. See that?